Hello, Achieve, and welcome back. I hope you all had a good Veterans Day. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our morning assembly. We're going to start with our Pledge of Allegiance, and then we're going to continue talking about relevance of school. So everybody please stand, salute, and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So on Tuesday, Mr. Wright was talking with you about relevance of school, and he made a connection between a Choose Your Own Adventure book and how that is actually what your life is like. You make choices now that impact your choices that are open to you later on in life. And all through school, that is how it works. And all through life, that's how it works. So I like that analogy of the Choose Your Own Adventure book, because in your life, you get to choose your own adventure. And putting attention into school now could actually impact your life later on. And you might be trying to understand, well, how could something that I'm learning in 5th grade now actually impact my life later? But actually, the amount of attention that you put into school affects the amount that you learn. And if school is more meaningful to you, then you're going to put more attention into it and you're going to learn more. So if you can make a connection between what you're learning in school and how that might impact your life later on, then you're going to get more out of it and it becomes a lot more relevant to you. So one way to do that is to set some goals for yourself. Like, think about your future. What kinds of things do you want to do in your life? Do you want to drive eventually, get your driver's license? Well, guess what? In 5th grade science in Summit, they're studying about gravity. Gravity is one of those natural forces that you have to be able to understand when you're learning to drive. Like, how fast can I drive? How quickly is my car going to stop if I'm driving this fast? That's a really important force of nature that you need to understand, that you actually learn about in 5th grade. So pay attention, guys, because eventually you're going to be driving and you need to understand, how that impacts you. Or another example is in 7th grade, English. They're learning about different cultures and how people from different cultures can help use their differences to bring themselves together. Like, how can we understand one another better by discussing our differences? That's a life lesson forever, for the rest of your life. What kind of a job might you get? And, how are you going to interact with people that are different from you? How are you going to accept one another and get along? That's a life lesson that you might learn in 7th grade English that's going to apply throughout your life. So you have to start finding those connections between what you're learning and what your goals are in life. And if you can do that, school becomes a lot more important to you and a lot more meaningful. So your question for today is this. I'd love for you to discuss a goal that you have for your future, and then think about what you've already learned that's going to help you meet that goal, and talk about that in your class. All right. Have a great day, Achieve.